I'm at the Calderwood shop, packing up the trailer. By we, I mean Bill Sr.'s packing the trailer, so we can head off towards Indianapolis today, stopping over in Pittsburgh for the night. You have to use a different company if you want to move your secret family.
Yeah, your number 2 family.
We're in Connecticut at a rest stop. It's thrilling. We made our layover destination. It's Indiana, Pennsylvania, not Pittsburgh. And I don't have long hair anymore, but I still like to do this little towel wrap. And Bill and I are bunking up tonight, and he suggested we push these closer. Something about warmth. I think I'm just gonna go with it, just trust him. And he also brought some iced tea. So if I'm, slightly limping tomorrow, it's from the long car ride. It has nothing to do with this bed situation. It's 10 a.m. We're leaving Indiana. 7-hour drive to Indianapolis. We're in Indiana at Mr. Fuel. Made it to the destination, the hotel. Loading in. It's like a hotel complex. All the chains all smashed together. All being friendly. 27 degrees, a bit chilly. And Indiana looks a lot like Iowa. Flat. Lots of fields. I don't think you can see this, but that says Tire Barn. Tire Barn. All right, we got the U-Haul unloaded. Bill Sr.'s gonna go try to park. Check out this door. Doors within a door. Very sweet. We're right across from the concession stand, so it's guaranteed eyeballs. Drool, 5-octave marimba. I want. The booth is coming along. Bill's thinking. Bill Sr.'s trying to hide a body. Got the Black Swamp booth. Looking sweet. I love these base plates. No tripods, clean look. Snares, tambourines, triangles. Multi-clamp holding solutions. It's got it going on. I would be remiss if I didn't mention the limited edition tambourine with Kentville drums, kangaroo heads, steel from Australia. Nice. We didn't do that, Eric. Another booth you need to visit, Indie Drums. Cool stuff, man. Doing custom lugs, custom throw-offs, designed hardware for other companies. His own finishing process he won't share with us. Check out these cool brackets and tom mounts he's made. Adjustable for lug spacing. I like those way better than the Halo mounts, and I was a big fan of Halo mounts. Check these guys out. Got more love for steel and his kangaroo heads. We got one on this rope tension drum, floor tom mounts. Got a set on this Tabor, and we got some on these Nakers. Check them out, Kentville. And of course, we cannot forget our friends at Zildjian. Huge booth display. Nice and clean. LCDs, symbols for days. I want to hit some of these. Day one in the expo hall. Good thing I brought some earplugs. I had to give my ears a break, so I came over to the quiet side. 5 more minutes and our first day as exhibitors comes to an end. And we sold a drum. Day 3 in the exhibit hall, the last day. 9 to 5 exhibit hours. Then you got to break down and load out. Be out of here by 11 p.m. We've been getting really good response on the rope tension drum kit, as well as the regular rope tension drums, even the Nakers, and the woofer snare has been getting a lot of attention, as well as black as black drum. You can't even see it, it's so black. Several people say they're coming back today. They got their eyes on the brocades. A couple people have their eyes on the kit, hoping they take it home. Show is over. We got the booth broken down. Bill Sr. drove back to the hotel to pick up the trailer. So humping this stuff to the loading dock is going to be the worst part. Now we start the pilgrimage home. 7.5 hours today, 9 some tomorrow. You can see Billy is really excited. Excited. We're back in Massachusetts. One more fill up at the pumps. Make the last leg into Avon, unload the trailer, and then Bill Sr. can head back to New Hampshire. Good times. I was gonna film some of the unload in Avon, but I forgot. We were in a rush to get done so Bill Sr. could get back home to New Hampshire. Big fail on that one. Really screwing the pooch. So now I gotta unpack. And this is all I brought back from PASIC. I'm not really a swag guy, and I didn't make a lot of purchases because I don't need more drum crap, except for drums that I will build. It becomes very obvious during the edit that I don't have an ending for this, and I missed a lot of the funny moments and jokes because I wasn't walking around filming the entire time. That just seems weird and inconvenient, and we were rather busy. So I will just say it was an 8-day trip with the 2 Bills. It was never boring, never stressful. Felt like I was on a road trip with my brother and my father, which is fitting because I consider those two family. Also, my hair naturally does this. It's a freaking mess.